So what's up guys, I'm Mash from TechMash and hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you that how to fix black screen on OBS. So just let me show you. If you open your OBS, then you would see a black screen like this. Your OBS will show black screen. It will not capture your screen. Your OBS will be completely blacked out. So if you want to fix it, and if you want to just record your csgo gameplay, or maybe you want to just capture your gameplay with your OBS, but you can't do it because of this black screen. So I will show you exactly how you can fix it. So if this video worked for you, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if it didn't work for you, then don't forget to hit the dislike button as well. Okay, so just let me show you. At first, what you need to do is you need to just come to your desktop, and then here right click on empty space of your desktop. Okay, and then here just select display settings. So in your display settings, you have to scroll down all the way and select graphics settings. Okay, so in your graphics settings, here you need to select desktop app or classic app. If it is already selected for you, then don't worry about that. Okay, so then just click on browse, and then here just go to your C drive, or in the drive your Windows is set up, and then just go to program files. And then here you need to just, here in program files, you need to search for OBS Studio. Okay, it will be sorted alphabetically. Just go to your OBS Studio, double click on this folder, and then just go to bin. And here you can see it is for me 64-bit, as my Windows is 64-bit. If it is 32-bit for you, then just don't worry about that. Okay, and then here you need to just select obs.exe file, the application file of OBS, and then here you need to just select add. Okay, you need to here add the application file of OBS. Just click on add, and then what you need to do is you need to just click on options. Okay, here you need to just select options. So here you may find like here two options, and the main problem is maybe your device have two GPU. One is built-in GPU from Intel, and another is external GPU like NVIDIA GeForce in my case here. So you need to select the Intel GPU. Your PC is trying to access the screen record from your GeForce or external graphics card. So you need to select your built-in graphics card, and in my case it is Intel Graphics 620, and it is in power saving option. So I will select the power saving option. So after selecting your built-in graphics card, and then you need to just click on save, and then just close it, and then you also need to close your OBS as well. Okay, you need to close your OBS. Just let me show you. If I close my OBS, and then if I open the OBS Studio again, then let's see what happens. So as you can see, our problem is fixed. Our black OBS showing black screen problem is completely fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix black screen on OBS. Hope you like this video. If you do, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any question or suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below. And also, if you want to know more about OBS, advanced uses of OBS, or how you can do streaming, better streaming with OBS, then don't forget to watch the video in the I button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mash from TechMash, and I am signing out.